Hello, friends. This is Dr. Lou. I'm going to post a three-part series on Haiti, but there are three distinctive topics I want to bring to your attention: the Haitian Revolution, Haitian literature, and Haitian voodoo. What I hope to do is to make some recommendations about some key texts on those three topics: the Haitian Revolution, Haitian literature, and Haitian voodoo. Now, I want to be specific. Those texts I am recommending to you are in English. It doesn't mean Haitians do not write in French, okay? But this is for my English speaking audience. Let's begin with some key texts on the Haitian Revolution. But just to preface, I want to remind you about this fact. The Haitian Revolution, which began in 1791 and ended in 1802, was the only slave revolution in the modern world. Okay, it gave birth to the modern nation of Haiti. It abolished slavery, chattel slavery, in Saint-Domingue, Haiti, and then he put an end to the triumph of colonialism and white supremacy in Saint-Domingue, Haiti. So let's begin with the first text. The first text is by Laurent Dubois. Laurent Dubois is a historian, Avengers of the New World. Great text. A second favorite text of mine, which is a top text on the Haitian Revolution, is The Making of Haiti, the Saint-Domingue Revolution from Below. It's by Caroline E. Fick. Look at it. There we go. The Making of Haiti. And another influential writer on the Haitian Revolution is David Geges, right? David Geges wrote about the impact of the Haitian Revolution on the Atlantic world. This is an important text. He also wrote an important book called Haitian Revolutionary Studies. These are classic texts on the Haitian Revolution and the English language. So Thomas O. Ott wrote the Haitian Revolution from 1789 from 1804. And another top book that is an intellectual history of the Haitian Revolution, it's called Modernity Disavowed. Modernity Disavowed, Haiti and the Culture of Slavery in the Age of Revolution. It's by Sybil Fisher. Modernity Disavowed, Haiti and the Culture of Slavery. A second intellectual history on the Haitian Revolution is called Universal Emancipation, the Haitian Revolution and the Radical Enlightenment. Again, it's written by Dick Nesbitt. Then we're going to transition to another important text by Philippe Girard, The Slave Who Defeated Napoleon. The Slave Who Defeated Napoleon. And I want to bring your attention to two other important texts by David Geges, right? So this one is called The Haitian Revolution. A documentary history. This is such an important text. It records the most important documents on the Haitian Revolution that have to do with the archives. Okay, again, this is by David Geges. Another important text David Geges edited is The World of the Haitian Revolution. The World of the Haitian Revolution. And of course, Phil Girard, this is a bio on Toussaint Louverture, the Memoir of General Toussaint Louverture. It's not a bio, I meant to say. This is the Memoir Toussaint Louverture wrote. So Philippe Girard wrote an introduction, translated into English. It's a critical introduction, okay, to the Haitian Revolution. Another favorite text of mine is Rituals, Runaways, and the Haitian Revolution. Rituals, Runaway, and the Haitian Revolution. It's by Crystal Eddins. This is a groundbreaking work. It's a new work on the Haitian Revolution. And of course, Confronting Black Jacobin, and the subtitle, The United States, the Haitian Revolution, and the Origins of the Dominican Republic. And again, this is by the great Gerald Horne, one of the most prolific historians in the United States. Another important, most recent intellectual history on the Haitian Revolution is by Marlena Dowd. Marlena Dowd. It's called Awaken the Ashes. Awaken the Ashes, an intellectual history of the Haitian Revolution. And then, and of course, you see this, the title? What does it say? Black what? Here it is. This is gonna be a classic work on the Haitian Revolution. And of course, the work in the English language that lays the foundation for all subsequent works on the Haitian Revolution is written by C.L.R. James. It's called Toussaint Louverture and the History of the Haitian. Toussaint Louverture, the Black Jacobins. The Black Jacobins, Toussaint Louverture in the Haitian Revolution. Again, that book was first written as a three-part play. This is the play, but I also have the book in my library. I hope this was helpful to you. Again, I give you some key text on the Haitian Revolution to understand its background, its historical context, and the triumph of the Haitian Revolution and the New World. Stay tuned for part 2 on Haitian literature.